In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Samsung TV remote when it's not working or responding, covering IR sensor, battery, and power reset fixes. First, check the remote's batteries. Replace them with fresh ones and make sure they're inserted correctly. Low or dead batteries are the most common reason for remote issues. Next, ensure nothing is blocking the remote's infrared IR signal. The remote needs a clear line of sight to the TV's IR sensor, usually located below or near the screen. Remove any objects blocking the path. Try resetting the remote by removing the batteries and pressing all buttons once. Then reinsert the batteries and test again. If the remote still doesn't work, restart your TV by unplugging it from the power outlet for 30 seconds, then plugging it back in. This can clear temporary glitches affecting remote response. If you have a Bluetooth or smart remote, try repairing it by following your TV's specific instructions, usually found in the settings menu. Check if the remote's buttons are stuck or damaged. Clean around them gently with a soft cloth. If none of these steps work, the remote might be faulty and need replacement, or the TV's IR sensor may be damaged. Following these steps should get your Samsung TV remote working and responding again. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.